Okay. Ina's dream came true. We rode our bikes all the way to see the Hoover Dam. Are you happy now?
Oh yes. Check. Check.
Check. Check.
My bucket list.
Look at that. Yeah, that's a bucket list item. And the bridge. She wanted to ride on that bridge, but I think that one is closed for the bicycles. Oh, at least we can get here.
Other side. This is Nevada. Other side Arizona.
Is that true?
Yeah.
Okay.
This bridge connects two states, Arizona and Nevada.
Ah, so we'll be crossing the border of the state on a bicycle. I don't think we ever did that yet.
We did.
We did? Where?
When we rode to a Great Canyon.
On a
Remember?
bicycle?
No, not the bicycle.
Yeah,
Car.
by car, of course. I'm talking about crossing state
Look, people
border
are
with
walking. I
bicycle.
mean, pretty much you can walk. There is a bridge path.
You
I
can
mean,
walk?
a
Really?
pedestrian path.
Pedestrian path? Maybe. Okay, we'll check it out.
No, I'm not gonna. That's it.
That's it? No more riding up and down?
No, just enjoy this
Yeah,
scenery.
we decided not to pursue the dirt trail to get here and instead just rode on Highway 93 a little bit. Which
Yeah, this
has
dam,
plenty of shoulder.
this construction saved a bunch of people during the Great Depression because there is a government order to build this dam.
Right.
And government
right,
subsidized
And
it.
they're coming to see
So it saves a lot of people.
They're coming to see similar things now with the infrastructure 2 billion package.